every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Beauty in 4C family. My name is Caroline. If you're new to my channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it. That way you'll not miss out on any of my future videos. So I'm back with another video. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So I will be doing an unboxing video of my Boxycharm. This being the second time I have received the box. I don't know what happened to the box, but it looked like it fell from this side and it's also wet on this side. So let's just continue with the rest of the unboxing. I do not want this video to be very long, so let's get started. So when you open the box, this is how it looks like. In this this is the October Boxycharm, and I've noted something different. The previous box usually has some, I don't know, I guess they are I don't know what they call them, but it's usually a paper, the ones that reduce compression to the items. So today, this month's box has a sponge, which is a plus. Then this is the card that we received. I received a variation number 18, as you'll see on this corner right here. So let's get right into what I got in the box. So the theme for this month is After Dark. Then they've listed all the items that I've received for this month's Boxycharm. They've also said that there will be a bigger Boxycharm. So from November, the Boxycharm will be about, it will be $25 from, it will have increased from the $21 monthly subscription that we've been paying. So, and they say that there will be more items. So let's get right into the product. The first product is Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. So it should be used to refresh. You should apply this soothing mist before you moisturize and use it to finish makeup. You can also use to refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. So I have used this, I've already used this. It smells very nice, and just to show you how it looks like on my hand, just watery like. I have seen it has actual glitters, especially when you're spraying on your face. The glitters stick on your clothes. So like that is something to look out for. You do not want to go out looking all glittery, but on the face it makes your face very glowy. Yeah, it looks really nice, so I like it. The cost of this Iconic London spray is $32, which it's $29. Sorry about that. Then the second item I got is the Hank & Henry Sleek With It Mascara Duo. So this is how it looks like. So this mascara costs $19. It's dual, which means you can use it on either sides. One is a bigger, it has a bigger like spoolie. Then the other one is small. One for the upper eyelid, eyebrows, and the other one is for the lower ones. So that's all with it. This one is it costed $19, and I can see that you can only use this for 6 months. So I am not going to open this now. Then the next item I got is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is one I got. I don't know if you can see that. So let's say I've used this today on my brows. Well, I'm not the best when it comes to doing brows, but I think it looks really good and it's very easy to use. Yes, I'm still practicing on how to get it right on my brows. I rarely do them, but once in a while I do. So I've already used this. It looks very nice. I think I like how it looks like. Yeah, and it's dark brown. So the cost of this brow gel is $16. The other item I got is Hollywood. It's an eyeliner from Hollywood and Vine. This is how it looks like. It's black in color. The cost of this eyeliner is $7. I don't know, but I don't think it's fair to receive this. I don't know how everyone else is reacting to this item in their boxes. I was just comparing it with my Wet n Wild eye pencil. They're almost the same, like everything, except obviously for the color and the cost. This is $1 and this is $7, so that's the only difference. But I don't think there's any difference, maybe in quality, but we'll see. I have not used that yet. Then the other item I got is a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. It's called the Sassy Siennas. I don't know if that's how you should pronounce it. And these are the colors, the variation of the colors. Pretty cool colors. These are my type of colors, if anyone would ask me. So they really did make a good choice for me this time round. And let me just show you how the colors are. They are very cool, very pretty. And then it also has a cute little brush. I like this one. So you'll use this on for your eyeshadow. It has very beautiful colors. I think this is my favorite product of all the rest of these other items. So that's all for the unboxing video of my Boxycharm October. Yeah, I wouldn't say that it was a very good box in my opinion. It's just there, yeah. So the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette cost is $32, and that's my favorite item. I really like it. And the other thing I've noted about it is that it's cruelty free, it's paraben free, and it's talc free. That is very, very nice. So this is my favorite item in my Boxycharm October. Yeah, that's all. Then the total cost of my box is $103. I paid $21, and from November they've increased the cost of Boxycharm, so it will be $25. And there is also another new one that they've started. I mean, they will be starting in November as well. It will be about, I guess, $35. It will be a totally different box. So that's all. And in my previous Boxycharm unboxing video for September, I got the total cost of my product was $146. So this one was a bit on the lower side, but it's okay. I'm not sure if I'll continue with Boxycharm. I'm likely to cancel because I don't know. I think the things I've gotten the 2 times are enough for me. I guess so. I guess I will be like canceling very soon. So in my previous video as well, I did say that I was to get my Becca Hydro Mist loose setting powder. So they sent me the product. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is the powder. The packaging is very, very pretty, very good. So I will be using this later on because I have my Maybelline Fit Me powder with me yet still, and I don't think I should open this yet. So once I'm done with my Fit Me powder, that's when I'll use the Becca Hydro Mist powder. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel in the link down below, and make sure you turn on your notification. That way you will not miss out on any of my future videos. And basically that's all about my hair. I've been having loose twists for the better part of last week. So wash day was supposed to be on Sunday, but I've been postponing. I've been very busy. I am still on my loose twists until I get time to wash my hair. So thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you all and bye bye.